If you have chronic lower back pain or even worse, arthritis in your lumbar spine, this will be one of the most therapeutic movements you'll ever do, especially going slow and just taking your time, especially at end range, to relax and deeply breathe through your belly to increase the range of motion. Again, you have two types of obliques, internal and external. They twist, they bend. You got to be able to do both. And as you get better and better with this movement, you get that full range, you can add a little more speed of movement too. This also isolates the QL or quadratus lumborum muscle, a very small muscle that can cause big problems. Oftentimes it can spasm on you and lead to a lot of lower back pain and issues. So you want to be able to stretch and strengthen this area, and this will go a long way to bulletproofing your back. Please keep in mind that if you haven't done this movement in a while, if ever, it will suck in the beginning. And also, anytime you do this type of deep stretching, that a good eccentric load, even with a light stick, you will create more muscle soreness than usual. Keep it light and keep it just to a set or two of 10 to 20 repetitions to not overwhelm yourself. If it's still too tough, consider starting with the side lying ball stretch. Either a big medicine ball or stability ball will work well. Just going to try to wrap your spine over the ball laterally and then create some rotation as well. So this will feed not only the side bending, but also the twisting, and some oblique crunches are a nice way to finish it off. You can auto-correct your form by side bending against the wall. And now the only way you can move is side to side. So it really helps you isolate that movement and prevent the tilting and turning that can get you off track.